This just in, breaking news, TikTok has been banned forever. Well, more like 12 hours. But let's be real, this incident was definitely a wake-up call for all of us creators. It highlighted just how unpredictable the online landscape can be if you're putting all of your eggs into one platform's basket. Today, I'm going to be going over why diversifying your content strategy across TikTok, IG Reels, and YouTube Shorts is no longer optional. It's pretty much essential for your growth and survival as a creator, especially with how important short-form video is. Also, just to cut to my sponsor, I actually don't have one because I'm pretty much a brand new YouTuber, and if you guys could just like or sub the video, I'd really appreciate it. 1. The risk of relying on just one platform. So let me paint the picture for you. You spent months or maybe years building up your audience on one platform. You're killing it, the views are rolling in, and then boom, the platform gets banned. Or the algorithm decides you're not its favorite anymore. What happens then? It's not just about TikTok. Remember Vine? Vine was the app where creators who were only on Vine pretty much disappeared when the app did, but the smart ones like, Logan Paul and King Bach, the ones who diversified, went on to become household names. The TikTok ban, even though it was temporary, highlighted how fragile relying on one platform can be. If you're serious about being a creator, you have to play the long game. And that means being present where your audience is. Pretty much nowadays is everywhere. 2. Why each platform brings something unique. Let's start with TikTok, the king of trends pretty much. TikTok is like the cool kid in high school who's always one step ahead. Trends start here, go viral there, and sometimes die in like 10 seconds. But here's the thing about TikTok. It's super fast paced. Your content has a 5-second lifespan and you could go viral today and pretty much be nobody tomorrow. So it's amazing for quick exposure, but it's not enough to keep you afloat in the long run. So while TikTok is the perfect place to blow up overnight, it's just the beginning of a journey as a creator, and really I don't think you should just be putting all of your eggs in one basket as a TikToker, especially because then you'll be known as a TikToker. IG Reels is a little bit different. I'd say it's kind of like an in-between of TikTok and YouTube Shorts. IG Reels is, I guess you could say, like TikTok's artsy cousin. It's where polished visuals meets storytelling. The algorithm rewards creativity and consistency, and the platform focuses on community engagement. It makes it perfect for building a loyal following, although I will say there's not a ton of long-form content on there that you could point things to. It's more of like a discovery platform, kind of like TikTok. Reels definitely doesn't move as fast as TikTok, but that's kind of the point. It gives it a longer shelf life. And if you already have a decent Instagram following, it's great to start on there as well. Now onto YouTube Shorts, which is my personal favorite, but I might be a little bit biased. YouTube Shorts is definitely the underdog that's quietly taking over. Think about it, YouTube is already the OG of content longevity. Add shorts to the mix and you got the best of both worlds, short form virality content, combined with the staying power and community of YouTube. Your shorts aren't just quick hits. They're a gateway to your long form content, your channel, and your monetization strategy. YouTube's searchability and recommendations means your content keeps working for you long after you posted it. I know this by experience because even shorts that I've posted years ago still get some views here and there. YouTube Shorts definitely isn't just a platform, it's an investment. 3. Cross-posting. This section's a little bit shorter, but I just wanted to mention cross-posting. So the best part about creating content is that once you create it, you have it, so you don't have to create new specific content for each platform. You can kind of just take a piece of content and tailor it to each platform. For example, take one video, tweak it slightly for each platform, and boom, you're pretty much everywhere. For TikTok, make sure it's fast and unpolished and raw. For Reels, clean it up a bit, add captions, make it look good. And for YouTube Shorts, it's all about leaning into hooks and clear storytelling and education. The point is to work smarter, not harder, especially when it comes to content creation. These things definitely take a lot of time, as I definitely know because I'm making this video right now. 4. Tips for crushing it across platforms. Let's talk strategy. If you want to succeed on TikTok, Reels, and Shorts, you need to do more than just post and hope for the best. You really have to learn how to hook your audience, and that really happens in the first 3 seconds. People scroll fast, you need to grab their attention immediately. Start with a bold question, a strong visual, or something completely unexpected. And this will just get better with time, so give yourself a little bit of a break if you're not getting the views that you think you should be. Just keep working on it. I definitely am. Like I said in the last section, adapt to each platform's style, and once you've done that and you've already posted multiple pieces of content, study what works on your content and double down on the analytics. So go through your analytics of whatever platform you're using, and it should say your retention rates, your views, and everything just about your content. Find your weak points and double down on making them better. And once you start doing that, make sure you engage with your audience as you start to get more and more followers and build up a community. Respond to all your comments. I think that's a huge thing, especially on YouTube where people are commenting. You always want to comment back. And if you don't know what to comment, just ask them questions. Make your followers feel seen and they'll definitely return the favor. And the number one thing that I think is the most important in content creation and also pretty much in life is consistency. Consistency beats perfection every single time. Set a schedule, stick to it, and make sure you post, unlike me who really sucks at doing that. Sorry. To end the video, relying on one platform is a risk no creator should take. The TikTok ban might have been reversed, but it reminded us all how unpredictable this space can be. If you want to build a sustainable career as a content creator, you need to adapt, diversify, and future-proof your content. Start posting on TikTok, IG Reels, and YouTube Shorts today. Don't wait until it's too late. I promise this is free advice, unless you're paying for YouTube Premium. And if this video helped you out, give me a like, a subscribe, and share it with another content creator. Please, that would be awesome. See y'all in the next video.